Plier. Plier are available in different types of shape and sizes. They are also available in both insulated and uninsulated handles, and insulated handles should be used when working on or near hot wire. It also used for cutting big and small wire. Screwdriver. A screwdriver comes in various sizes and with several tip shapes. A screwdriver used by electricians should have insulated handles. Using a screwdriver for a particular job, the weight of screwdriver tip should match the weight of the screw sold. Drilling equipment. Drilling equipment is needed to make holes in building structure, passages of conduit and wire. Hammers. Hammers are used with chisel and for nailing and fitting. Below are examples of carpenter's claw hammer, lineman's hammer, and machinist ballpen hammer. Sawing and cutting tools. Saws commonly used by electricians include the crosscut, keyhole, and hacksaw. Soldering equipment. In doing electric wiring, splice and tabs should be soldered unless you use solderless connectors. Typical equipment available for soldering are shown below. Measuring tools to measure wire length and other items. The electrician fit considerable use for measuring tools such as the extension or zigzag roll, push-pull roll, and a steel tap as shown below. Electrical tape. Electrical tape is type of pressure sensitive tape used to insulate electrical wire and other material that conduct electricity. It can be made of many plastic, but vinyl is most popular as it stays well and give a effective and long lasting insulation.